Business Bites, powered by Sagicor. Hello, I'm Cody Ann Barrett with the Jamaica Observer's Business Bites for today. The Planning Institute of Jamaica, PIOJ, is projecting that the economy will contract in the current quarter due to the lingering impact of Hurricane Beryl, which hit the island in July. Projections from the PIOJ are that the economy will contract by as much as 1% for the July to September quarter that we are currently in. The projection came from the head of the PIOJ, Wayne Henry, at the agency's quarterly press briefing on Wednesday. Henry said the downturn is expected to impact growth for the full fiscal year, which began on April 1 and ends March 31 next year, and has set a range of a negative 0.1% decline to a positive 1% expansion.
And is largely dependent on the pace of recovery from the fallout from Hurricane Beryl. At the negative side of the range, the uncertainties are driven by, 1, the extensive damage in some of the main agricultural producing areas. In light of this, a return to positive performance in this industry may not be recorded until fiscal year 25-26.
So far, growth this year has been anemic, with a mere 0.1% increase recorded in the second quarter compared to the same period last year. Dragging on growth was a downturn in activity in the wholesale and repair of machinery sectors, as well as the construction industry. Meanwhile, output in the manufacturing sector remained stagnant. Although the food, beverage, and tobacco sub-industries saw increased output, this was offset by contractions in other manufacturing sub-industries, resulting in an overall flat performance.
For other manufacturing sub-industry, the estimated lower output was mainly due to non-metallic minerals, reflecting lower production of cement, down 4.5%, and clinker, down 6%, and petroleum products, mainly reflecting lower production of fuel oil, down 12.1%, ADO, down 19.8%, and turbo fuel, down 53.9%.
The lower output of petroleum products was due to reduced operating days at the Petrojam refinery, resulting from a 38-day closure caused by a fire on March 5. The fire disrupted refinery operations, leading to the decreased output. Additionally, the construction sector experienced a 2.4% contraction.
The decline in the other construction component was due to reduced capital expenditure on civil engineering activities, reflecting National Works Agency, down 72.2% to $662.6 million, reflecting lower expenditure on the Harbour View to Yallahs leg of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, SCHIP, and the Major Infrastructure Development Program.
Tempering a bigger fallout was an increase in expenditure on the National Road Network, amounting to $5.9 billion. This increase was attributed to heightened spending on the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Ann Barrett.